Hello everyone, welcome back to the JasperReports tutorial series. In the previous videos, we learned what is JasperReports, how to install Jaspersoft Studio, report layout structure, and we created our first Hello World report. So now in this video, we will do something very important. We will connect JasperReports with a real database because in real projects, reports always use dynamic data. Instead of using static data, we will fetch all the data from MySQL database in dynamic manner. Okay, why database connection? So first, let's understand that why do we need a database connection? Because data comes from database. Reports show real data or real records. Example, users list, invoices, student data. Without database, report is not useful in real projects. So anyway, let's get started. Okay friends, this is our previous report. Today, let's create a new report. We want to connect with MySQL database. Here we have reports. Inside that, we want to create a new one. And here we will select Jasper report. We want to select blank A4. Then click next. And here let's change name of that. For example, employee list. Then click next. As you can see, we have data adapter. And here we have two options. One empty record. Then we have sample DB, database, JDBC connection. Select that one. And here we want to establish the connection. Click on the new. Okay friends, as you can see, we have multiple data sources. We want to select database JDBC connection. Then click next. Thereafter, we want to provide database driver, URL, username, and password. As you know that we want to use MySQL database and we have already installed MySQL database, there is no problem. Let's open MySQL Workbench. So, as you can see here, we have database, JasperReports, DB, then we have employee table, and here we provided multiple records. As you can see, we have multiple records. So, don't worry about this. You can get these scripts from the video description link. There is no problem. We want to copy name of the database. Just select this one, then copy. And here we want to provide that. Then we want to enter password. We have root. Sorry, username root and password is empty. Let's test the connection. So as you can see, we got an exception, class not found exception. This driver, which is JDBC MySQL driver, cannot be found. Let's close that. So what is the way to resolve this problem? And here we have connection properties. Then we have driver class path. Select this one. Then we have add button. We want to add JDBC MySQL driver from our computer. We have driver. Select this one. Then open. Thereafter, let's test this connection. Okay, successful. That is good. Close that. Then we want to click on the finish button. As you can see, we have multiple databases because on MySQL Workbench we have multiple databases. There is no problem. And here we want to find my database. We have, sorry, let's find that. So we have JasperReports DB. Expand that. We have table, Inside that we have employee table, and here we want to provide query to get all the records from MySQL database. Simple select all from TBL employee, then click on the next button, and here we have the column list: employee ID, full name, phone, email, department. Let's add all of these. Then you want to click on the next button. Let's add all of these. Click next. Okay, congratulations. The reports is created successfully. There is no problem. Let's finish that. So we connected Jasper reports with MySQL database. Thereafter, what we want to do? We want to find fields. We have employee ID, full name, phone number, email, and department. Let's drag and drop here. Let's correct this. Then we have full name. We want to correct this also. Sorry, let's select. So thereafter we have phone number. Let's select. Then we have email. Okay, sorry. Let's select both. Then we have department. Okay. That is good. Let's adjust this to the top. This one also. Then we have phone. Sorry. Then we have email. After that we have department. Okay. And here we want to correct this header also. So thereafter, let's adjust these details. So the Jasper reports is very simple because in the first step, we connected with MySQL database. In the second step, just we dragged and dropped these options. We have multiple fields like employee ID, full name, phone number, email, and department. And we designed a simple reports here. Thereafter, what we want to do, let's save the changes. Sorry, let's save this. Then we want to preview the report. As you can see, we got all the data from MySQL database. We have a simple report. We have multiple pages from 1 to 8. You can visit all the pages. There is no problem. So in this video, we learned how to connect Jasper reports with MySQL database, how to write simple query, how to display real data on Jasper reports. So in the next video, we want to design this Jasper reports. Here we want to add title, current date, and here we want to make this header professional. Then we want to add some information here, page footer. We want to add page number. Here we want to add some summary information as well. There is no problem. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.